measuring the results of this experiment.
Analyzing the data, yes.
Analyzing the data, and so thank you for that. And we have some fresh results, right?
Yes. So I received the sheets from 59 people, and I did a MANOVA analysis, MANOVA test, and what we got, we found an effect of the shape of the cup on aroma. That's over here. So we have an effect of the shape of the cup on aroma. So here we have the split cup in blue and the tulip cup in red. So aroma was perceived as stronger, more intense in the tulip cup. And we also had an effect in the sweetness perception. So the coffee was perceived as sweeter in the tulip cup. That's here. And I didn't find an effect on acidity, flavor, or mouthfeel. In my study, I didn't test for flavor and mouthfeel because I had amateur consumers there and they don't know what this is. You know, if I ask them to look for mouthfeel, they will look at me and say, what do you mean by that? So I never test mouthfeel in amateurs. So that's it. And here we have the mean values. I don't know if you can see that. But here we have an enhancement of 0.8 and here too. So it was around 8% more aromatic and sweeter. And it was the same coffee, so the shape of the cup has an effect.
Is there anything here that surprised you? Or
not really.
Because I have to say, when it comes to the acidity, you're all wrong, because it was much higher in the split cup. But I know that I had some perceptions there going to that cup.
Okay.
So, yeah. But was it anything that surprised you?
Well, I was expecting an effect on acidity too, but I didn't get it. See, it was 6.7, 6.6 in average. So there were some people, yes, that I could see that they vary a lot from one cup to the other cup, but in average, you know, the people here behaved like that.
How much, if we would have turned this around, the experiment, right? So we had the experiment first and then your speech. So that would mean that we would have less from the top down perception.
Yes.
How would do you think that would change the result here, or are we professional enough to just describe what we actually taste?
Well, it's difficult to predict that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I would think so. And another thing is that the bag of the coffee was on the table where they sampled it. So this is another top-down thing.
Yeah.
Because they knew which coffee was there. So they were expecting some sorts of things in there too.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's better, you know, scientifically speaking, if we give as less information as possible to the person before testing them.
And I guess also to, Any questions? No, good. Thank you so much for staying up the whole night doing this. Really, really interesting. It's one big problem is that I have to go back and rebrand my whole roastery with collars and boba cups. So that's a bit annoying.
Do you know what coffee you tasted?
No.
Can you guess?
Kenya.
There's a prize if you guess which one.
Thailand trip with Morten, actually.
Which is much more fun than the one with Andreas. Any guessings? No, it was Caragoto from our roastery.
Very good coffee.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very acidic in the split cup. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is to cup coffees again, and this time we will give you some more time.